What then is the best way to scale on-premise solutions to match the cloud?
Well, I think with on-premise solutions, what you're trying to do, you don't want to get in a situation where you're trying to cookie cut an on-prem schema and put that into the cloud with your security products, because you're going to end up scaling very quickly and it becomes unmanageable. So I think what you want to try and do, again, is go back to that, sort of have that single cloud that is able to, single cloud security layer, that is able to sit in front of all of your assets and augment the on-premise security that you've built up, and maybe have specific security spots elsewhere, but you basically offset and abstract all of the main security issues out to a single security policy that has allowed you to do the scalability. Example would be a flash crowd that happened in Singapore a few years ago, where an ATM had a skimmer put onto it, and it was being used to capture money, and on social media very, very quickly it got out that $1 million had been stolen in a couple of hours. Singapore, very online community, the first thing that happened is they all opened their phones up and bang, checked their bank balance. They had 3 months of traffic within 1 hour. And the estate wasn't set up for it. It wasn't able to cope with that volume of flash crowd. And everything went down. And obviously that had a huge reputational risk. It also meant they were fined and they had to go up in front of Parliament. So there was a lot of sort of collateral damage associated with that. But it was a flash crowd. It wasn't a DDoS attack. It wasn't anything else. It was just about scaling that current design to make sure it fits in with the potential of what can happen.